Let's talk about how to play the dulcimer. So you have a pick, which you're going to hold in your right hand, and we're going to be fingering the notes with our left hand. Now our strings are D for the bass string, the one farthest from us, and then these two are tuned to A. And we're counting these frets with numbers. So a fret is the distance between these bars, and this is fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're skipping this one, and that's why we put a little mark there, 7, 8, and so on. But that's as much as we will need for our first song, which is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So when we hold the pick and we're strumming across all the strings, we want to strum lightly, like this. We don't want to dig in like this, or even worse. So it just sounds like a really loud percussive sound. We're trying to sound to really hear the notes. So we want to do a light strum, but still contact all the strings. When you're first learning this song, you need to put your pick down and just make sure you know where your finger's going for the melody, and make sure that you're pressing down hard enough that the string is actually sounding. So when my finger is pressed on this fret, it's at the top end of the fret, not at the lower end, not at the end closest to the tuning pegs, but at the top. And when I pick, I'm just going to use one finger on this hand, and I'm going to kind of anchor my thumb right here so that I can pick securely and it's not going to move everything around. So when you look at your book, you notice we start on 3. So we do 3 twice, and then we go to 7. So I'm looking here, and I know that this is 7. So I kind of have to know where they are. So you just need to practice counting until you know where 3 is and 7 is, and so on. So it goes like this. This is the first step. 3, 3, 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3. Then it goes to 7, 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4. It does that again. 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4. Then to 3, 3, 3, 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3. And that's the end of the song. So now that I know that my strings are sounding like they should, for instance, if you're not pressing hard enough, you're just not getting a good pressure there. See, if I don't press hard enough, I'm not going to get any sound. So I have to make sure that it sounds like it's supposed to. And after I'm confident that my notes are sounding like they're supposed to, then I can pick up my pick and work on strumming across all the strings. And remember, you're going to do it lightly. So remember that every time you do a number, you're going to start here and you're going to go out. And that's really important for us because when we're playing as a group, we want to do it all together. So I'll demonstrate that. 3, 3, 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3. See, I'll come back in. 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4. Come back in. 7, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3. 7, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4. And that's it for lesson 1 and lesson 2.